What's up, everybody? Ryan from fixit.buildit coming at you. I just thought I wanted to show you a little something real quick on how to put returns on your trim. Not everybody's aware. Let's go over real quick, show you what I'm talking about. These simple window sills we're doing here. On the end here, instead of having an end grain exposed, we 45, cut another chunk off 45, glue that on there, caulk it, paint it, you're good to go. It's a perfectly smooth area to paint, hides that end grain, makes it nice and beautiful. Here's what I'm talking about. So this is our piece that's going in, just like every other piece of trim. From corner to corner, outside corner, we get our dimension that we need. Cut the 45 here. Now I'm going to clean this one up and cut our piece that we want to attach onto this end so that that just continues to wrap around. Okay, so I'm going to square this end up and then I'm going to put it on a 45 so that I can get this painted in. We already went through and sprayed all this trim, so I want this painted in out here. That way I just have to touch it up and make it look pretty. So pause for that. All right, so we got it squared up. Next thing you know, we're gonna come over here to 45. And you see when we cut this off, we're gonna leave the painted face of this on here. So let's do that. See if I can figure this out here. Okay, we're left with our little nubby here. So what we're gonna do is apply some CA glue to one side, a little activator spray to the other. We're just gonna go ahead and take this on here, line up our edges, glue it together. Okay, this is obviously not the way it's gonna go with one hand here. Paint it up. This is also gonna be on the underside of the window sill, so you're not gonna even see it to begin with, and then that's what we got. Little CA glue, you can get it on Amazon. The activator spray that goes with it. But it's just like a super glue. Very, very tight bond, especially for something like this that's going to be sitting there and typically not going to be messed with. So just going to get some out there, spread it around. I'll stop squeezing eventually here just to spread what's already there. Boom. Take our nub. We want to go paint side out. So we're going to hit this with the little spray. Make sure she's lined up. A little difficult to do this direction here. Okay. There we go. Just clean that up. Touch it up with paint if need be. Tack it up, you're good to go.